Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. You already know what's going to happen today. We're working on the Toyota Highlander. We're going to be replacing the cabin air filter. First thing you're going to do is open up the glove box. You're going to remove all the contents. Once you got everything out, you're going to come right over here and you're gonna have this plastic guide. You're just gonna gently grab it with both fingers, and with your index finger you're just gonna pop it right off, just like that, and then just let it sit aside like so. Sorry. And then this is gonna take two hands, but right here you're just gonna press in on the side of the glove box. You can see the little tab right here. You're just gonna press in on both sides, and then that's going to drop down just like that. What you do is set these guides right here back onto their appropriate slots, and you can see that there's two on here on each side, and then two on this side as well. So you would just place those back on there just like that, and then push it forward. Once you have the glove box out of the way, you're just going to look up right here. You're going to have this plastic door. It's gonna have the arrow pointing upwards. It's gonna say up next to it. And then what you're gonna do is on the side right here, right where my fingers are, there's just these two little tiny tabs. It's kind of hard to see them, so I can get back to there. There you go. You're just gonna press them in like so. They don't really move a lot, as you can see. Just press them in and then you just pull it out. Right here is going to be your cabin air filter. You're just going to gently slide it right out just like that. This one's actually pretty clean. It's actually not bad at all. So if there wasn't one already purchased, I would probably just put it right back in. But we already have a new one, so we're going to put it in. You'll notice on the filters that they'll have, most of them will have two different shades. So just follow your up orientation and look at the shade of the filter, and then that'll kind of give you an understanding of which way to put the filter. If yours doesn't actually say up on it, some of the off-brand and the China ones won't say it. You're going to place this one right back into the holder. The plastic itself is what you would reuse. The filter is just what you're placing right back into there, like so. And just make sure that you have the orientation correct and following upwards. So now we're going to go back to the car. Okay, now we're back at the glove box. And what you're going to do is you're just going to slide it back in. Make sure that it is sitting right like that. You'll know when it's properly sitting. You'll have a little bit of a gap at the bottom and a little bit of a gap at the top, just like that. It'll be nice and firm. From there, you're going to go ahead and grab your cover and make sure that it's in the up orientation. On this side, you're going to go this side first. You're going to see it has those two hooks on it. You're going to slide that in, and then this side is just going to clip in. Just like that. All right, so once you got that in there, you're all done with that. Now we just get the glove box back on. Like I said, you just place that on there like that, and get the light. There we go. Place that back on there, and just go up. And then those just push right back in place. And then this little arm down here, you're just going to grab it. You're going to place the hole right on there and just push it right back on, just like that. And that's it.